This is Brian Stewart, one of the senior technical instructors with the Ruckus Education team. I'd like to take a few moments of your time and talk about the RAI 200 event. Ruckus AI 200 is a 2-day intensive workshop available either as a private customer on-site event or as individual seats in scheduled public offerings. This 2-day intensive hands-on event covers Ruckus AI, how to interpret the information through the tool with group discussions and hands-on exercises, as well as how to customize it to get the most for your environment. If you'd like more information on RAI 200 or other offerings available through the Ruckus Education team, feel free to look more into the portfolio at ruckusnetworks.com. From the networks.com main site, click on Resources. From the Resources drop-down list, click on Training and Certification. On the Training and Certification page, if you scroll down, on the left-hand side, you'll see a link for CommScope University. This is where you can find all of our instructor-led and web-based classes. On the right-hand side, you'll see a listing for the training calendar. This is where you'll find all of the upcoming public offerings available through the Ruckus Education team. I hope to see you in a future RAI 200 or other event from the Ruckus Education team. Thank you for your time.